Happykids TV.
Hey everybody, it's Maria from Happykids, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a Play-Doh smartphone. And if you haven't noticed yet, my shirt is a texting shirt, which was the inspiration of this video. Here's what you need to get started. You need the colors of the rainbow plus black and white. You also need a Play-Doh knife and rolling pin. But if you don't have either of these, that is okay. You can just use a real one, but be sure to ask an adult for permission first. Let's get started. This is what my Play-Doh phone is going to look like. So I'm going to use the colors black and white for this. To our phone. Play-Doh smartphone. Oh wait, hold on real quick. Sorry, I can't talk right now. I'm too busy showing everyone my new smartphone on Happykids. Okay, bye. Sorry, that was my friend, and she wanted me to say hi to all of you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Come back to see what I'm creating next time here on Happykids. See you later.
To watch more videos, please subscribe.